Welcome back to another episode of What's Up, Prof. We continue with our recap of what happened over the last 100 episodes. Hello, Walter.
Yes, it's not just a recap, it's an update as well, Martin.
Exactly.
Because we add the current situation into the mix.
Yes, and it's interesting. We've mentioned in the previous episode a lot of the things that we mentioned over this period. And it's interesting to see how it develops.
Correct.
But this one that we're going to do, there's a reason why it's on the alternative platforms. And
Well, after all, it's 3 years of COVID-19, vaccines, lockdowns,